Why do homeowners choose InverterCool? Let's find out. At InverterCool, we take the stress out of home comfort. Our professional installers ensure your new system is set up flawlessly. No messy cables, no fuss. And with our advanced FDD technology, your system is monitored 24/7. If there's ever an issue, we catch it before you even notice. That's not all. Our transparent pricing means what you see is what you get. No hidden fees, no nasty surprises. Plus, every system comes with a comprehensive 10-year warranty covering parts, labor, and remote operation monitoring. So sit back and relax. With InverterCool, you get long-lasting comfort, peace of mind, and big savings. Ready to upgrade? Choose InverterCool and experience the difference today.